of coaches have said TikTok Ad Manager is what you should be using if you want your advert to convert. In this video, I'll be sharing with you what they do not tell you about TikTok Ads Manager. Brutal, honest, unfiltered. Let's jump right in. In case you are not aware and you're asking what is TikTok Ad Manager, it's a place where you can set up your TikTok ads and you pick more detailed option there. In this video, I'll be telling you the pros and cons of using TikTok Ad Manager. Then you choose your own battle if you want to use it or not. It's on you. When I first heard about TikTok Ad Manager, I'm like, okay, this must be a land flowing with milk and honey. But when I tried to just probe in, I saw that it's a land with so many rules. You cannot do this. You cannot do that. You cannot da. The first thing is to be able to use TikTok Ad Manager to run your advert. You need to verify so many things. They'll ask for your ID. You have to update your CSC document. That means if your business is not registered, you're out. They will ask for your father's village address, your mother's village address, your grandpa's birth certificate. I'm kidding. But yeah, the information is quite a lot and you have to fill them. And you cannot skip any part. It's quite a lot. I'm not joking. Please note that for TikTok, there's no standalone app where you can run adverts. Like Instagram that has a business suite where you can run adverts there, or they have Ad Manager where you can run adverts directly from the app. If you ever want to use TikTok Ad Manager, you need to go to Chrome and you can use your laptop or your phone, advisably your laptop, and you run adverts from web. So there is no app. In case I make a mistake and I mention app in this video, just know that I'm just used to app because there's app for Instagram, Facebook that you can use. Okay. Next thing is there's a minimum amount you can use to fund your ad account. That for now you need at least 15,000 naira to fund your ad account. It's not like, oh, I have urgent 5k. Let me quickly try and see if it works. No, you need to have at least a minimum of 15,000 naira. For other countries like UK, US, Canada, they need to have a particular amount of money, maybe $15 or more. I'm not sure because of course I live in Nigeria, right? That is another hassle. Next is you have to switch to a business account. In my previous videos talking about TikTok, I have said that I use a personal account to run my ad, and this is why. Every platform is strict with business accounts. As someone that has lost my Instagram account two times in the year 2022, Facebook, Instagram, they are stricter with business accounts. So if I'm in a platform where I can run adverts and I do not have to show myself as a business account, I prefer to tilt to a personal account because most of these platforms are kinder to personal account but more strict to business account. So personally for me, I run adverts with my personal account, not my business account. Another thing is, if you want to run adverts, it's not hard. It's just pom. You just need to know basic strategies that would help your advert convert. The advert itself is not hard. But if you are using TikTok Ad Manager to set up the ad, it's like a full-time job. It's not complex, it's not easy, it's not beginner friendly. So even when they want to teach you, you have to ask 1 million questions to be able to get the hang of it, except if of course you are a first-class student in school. It's not friendly for the average students. Even simple things, as someone that teaches, even simple things, people do not get it easily. Then when it's now more complex, it makes it harder on the tutor. Talking about teaching, I have a TikTok ad course that would help you on adverts that convert. Very simple, everything broken down into bits and pieces for you, the best content that will convert, how to save more money by reducing ridiculous TikTok tags, community guideline, a lot of things is in that course. It costs 25,000 naira at the point of making this video, 25,000 naira or $25. You can pay from any part of the world you are in. Just send me a DM on Instagram, and I'm gonna hook it up. Okay, yeah, moving on. The manager is complex, so I do not even teach it in my class. By the time I did the course, the manager was not out. Actually, it's a pre-recorded course. But even when they introduced the ad manager, I saw it was now this is going to stress my students. So, and I actually tried checking because I love to make research. Of course, I know people now. People that are using the ad manager ad account, I tried checking with them. The advert is basically not converting more than mine. The only thing that could have interested me is if it's going to give me times 10 of my present results, but honestly it's the same thing, except from the fact that you can wake up tomorrow and your account is gone. Another thing is you get restricted a lot. I've seen people get restricted a lot from using the business account. They will say, oh, you can't do this for the next 3 days. Small thing like this, they will say, thank you for cooperating with us, your account has been what has been this finish it. So there's a high rate of account being disabled on the business account. There's the fact that you cannot use music, it's against the guideline. The guidelines is even more stricter. So I'm like, I'm a simple girl. I know they make you younger. I'm a simple girl by nature. I love this simple life. Please like this video as it goes a long way in telling the algorithm this is a very good content and push it out to more people like you that need to see this content. Thank you so much, Mercy Book. To balance things up, am I saying the TikTok ad manager is completely useless and not useful? No, don't quote me wrong. So let me throw more light on the usefulness of TikTok ad manager. It has more professional feature. You can control your audience more. Okay, people that are even using it said you cannot pick exact location yet, and that's the same thing on the TikTok app. You cannot pick exact location, except if there's a change from the last one I knew about last month, right? But it is more detailed. They are more detailed targeting. Like, okay, you can be precise about your targeting compared to the app. But for me, I've done detailed targeting on the app. It doesn't work for me too much. I let TikTok pick my audience and it works fire. So me, I'm not even going to even pick targeting myself for stats, right? But if you think that picking targeting yourself works better for you, then you might want to consider TikTok ad manager. But if you are a newbie, start with the beginner one first. Start with how to run it on your phone first. And maybe if you do not enjoy that, you could say, okay, let me give the app a try. It's just similar to Instagram adverts. People will say, oh, boost post does not work, it doesn't work. I used to boost post for years and it was working for me. Anytime I tried using the ad manager app, this work. Like the sales I'll make with boost post, right? If I do it with ad manager, I could do quarter with the same budget, and ad manager was converting more for every other person. A lot of people I know, and there are also some people that said, oh, is that boost post that was working for them, nothing else worked. So at times it's not even about copy and paste. It's not because the borrower said, this is working for me. Our line of business are different, our target audiences are different, a lot of things are different that might make what work for me not work for you. Do I make sense? If your question is TikTok ad manager worth it? Is TikTok ad manager better? Should beginners use TikTok ad manager? Should I run my TikTok advert with my personal account as a beginner? Simple answer. Start small. Start with your personal account. If you are not satisfied, then you move to the ad manager. But if you are big things, you more like that. But if you like big things, okay, free. Go to the ad manager. Right? Thank you so much for watching. I have a playlist right here where I spoke about, where I broke down a lot of things about TikTok advert, content, how to fund your ad account, how to run the advert, and different things that would give you results. Click here, watch, and enjoy. Thank you for watching, and I'll definitely see you in my next one. I love you so much. Bye, guys. Mwah.